Have you ever wondered how your favorite ice cream is made? That delicious creamy dessert sitting inside your freezer actually goes through a fascinating industrial journey before it reaches you. Today we're going inside a modern ice cream factory to discover how ice cream is produced, from simple raw ingredients to the final packaged product. Let's begin. First, the process starts with the arrival of fresh ingredients. Large refrigerated trucks deliver milk and cream to the factory, while other ingredients such as sugar, milk powder, stabilizers, flavorings, chocolate, fruits, and cookies arrive separately. Before production begins, every ingredient is carefully inspected. Quality control workers check temperatures, packaging, batch information, and other safety requirements. Once approved, the milk and cream are transferred through hygienic stainless steel pipes into large refrigerated storage tanks. These tanks keep the ingredients at controlled temperatures until they are ready to be used. Next comes one of the most important parts of the process: precise measurement. Modern factories use automated systems to measure ingredients according to a specific recipe. Sugar, milk powder, stabilizers, and other ingredients are carefully weighed and prepared. Even a small change in the recipe can affect the final texture and consistency of the ice cream. Now the ingredients come together. Milk and cream enter a large stainless steel mixing tank. Sugar and other dry ingredients are added, while powerful industrial mixers combine everything into a smooth liquid mixture. At this stage, it doesn't look like ice cream yet. It's simply a carefully prepared liquid base. The mixture then moves into a pasteurization system. Here, controlled heating is used as part of the food safety process. The temperature and timing are carefully monitored by automated sensors. After pasteurization, the mixture enters a homogenization system. Under high pressure, the mixture is processed to create a more uniform structure. This helps prepare the base for the smooth and creamy texture associated with ice cream. Next, the mixture is rapidly cooled. It enters large refrigerated aging tanks where temperature-controlled conditions prepare the mixture for freezing. Now it's time to add the flavor. For vanilla ice cream, vanilla flavoring is added. For chocolate, cocoa, and chocolate ingredients create a rich chocolate base. Fruit preparations can be added to create flavors such as strawberry. And for cookies and cream varieties, crushed cookies are prepared and added to the recipe. Once the flavor is ready, the mixture enters a continuous industrial freezer. This is where the real transformation begins. The mixture is cooled to very low temperatures while being continuously whipped. Air is incorporated into the mixture, and the liquid gradually becomes thick, smooth, and creamy. Now it finally begins to look like the ice cream we know. But the